In this video, I'm going to be telling you about how you can lose weight up to 4 to 5 kgs in a month without working out. And these are very easy tips to follow. They're not very difficult. Anybody can do it and you're going to lose weight like pronto. Tip number 1, cut out sugar. No sugar. So no added sugar, no sugary food, no sweet food, like no laddus, no cold drinks, no canned fruit juices. You can have fresh juices, you can have fresh fruits, but no added sugar. Yes, not even jaggery, not even good, right? Because even that is refined to some extent. What you can have unrefined sugar. The most unrefined sugar that we get in the market is honey. So you can have honey up to 2 teaspoonfuls in a day, not more than that. किसी भी गर्म चीज में उसको मत डालिए, कभी चाय में डाल के दूध में डाल के गर्म में मत पीजिए. If you want to have it in tea or anything else like green tea or something, cool down the green tea and then add your honey. Don't warm the honey. Honey is never had warm. Maple syrup is another unrefined sugar that you can have. You can have maple syrup. Make sure it's 100% maple syrup and no other kind of sugar. You can have fruits, any kind of fruit, any amount of fruit, no problem. So first thing is cut out all kind of sugar from your diet. No bread. Just pick up the packet of bread and see how much sugar they add in the bread. बहुत शुगर होती है उसके अंदर, so avoid that as well. So tip number 2 is avoid all kind of white flour, maida. No maida at all. So if you have zero maida diet for a month, that means no bhatura, no bread, which I already told you tip number 1 because that has sugar, but now this has maida. No buns, no samosas, no noodles, anything that has maida. So no white flour. So basically, a lot of people call it white trash. Kind of sounds racist, but yes, no white flour. किसी तरह से भी मैदा मत खाइए. 1 महीने तक मत खाइए. देखिए आपका वेट कहाँ जाता है. Tip number 3, no refined oil. None. Zero. No refined oil, whether it's pomace oil, whether it's olive oil or any oil. No oil. Avoid oil altogether. No oil should go down your throat for the whole month. If you have to have fat in your food, which people do require fat because our body needs some essential fatty acids. If you want to have fat, have ghee. Have 2 teaspoonfuls of ghee in a day. You can use it for cooking. You can use it for on your roti or your paratha or whatever. But the only fat that goes in your body for the whole month is maximum 2 teaspoonfuls of ghee a day. If it is possible, get ghee from A2 cows or A2 ghee or desi cow ka ghee. Desi ghee is separate from desi cow ka ghee. Desi ghee, every ghee they call desi. Even bhais ka ghee they call desi ghee. But if you talk about desi gai ka ghee is ghee from the Indian cow breeds, like the Gir, the Sahiwal and all that. So that ghee has a totally different property. It's slightly yellowish in color. A lot of researchers, I'll share some links in the description. लेकिन आपको फैट खाना है तो घी खाइए 2 चम्मच एक दिन में, छोटे चम्मच एक दिन में. The next tip is don't eat out for a month. Don't eat out. When I say don't eat out, means no Zomato, no Swiggy, no ordering food at home, no Domino's, home cooked food खाइए. If you have some cravings, the best way to fight a craving is अगर आपको craving होता है, postpone the craving for an hour. Don't say कि मैं नहीं खाऊंगा. That's very difficult sometimes. Say मैं 1 घंटे बाद खाऊंगा. And 1 घंटा जब हो जाता है तो बोलिए मैं 1 घंटे बाद खाऊंगा. So then वो craving निकल जाती है. सो स्लोली आप उसको क्रेविंग पे काम करेंगे, सो आपकी क्रेविंग चली जाएगी. बट 1 महीना ट्राई कीजिए, आपका वेट कहाँ से कहाँ जाएगा. बिकॉज हम जो बाहर का खाना खाते हैं, वी डोंट नो हाउ मच salt they add, we don't know how much, what kind of flour they use, we don't know what kind of ingredients they use. ज़्यादातर it's not healthy and वो अच्छा नहीं होता आपके लिए. So avoid बाहर का खाना, because घर का खाना is healthy खाना, made with love by your family members. So वो खाइए आप 1 महीने तक. अगर आप खुद भी बना रहे हैं तो with love and care ही बनाएंगे. The next tip is sleep. Yes, you have to sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. If you do believe in fitness bands, like I have a fitness band here, it tells you how many hours you had deep sleep. It tells you how many hours you had shallow sleep, etc. You need to have minimum 1.5 to 2 hours of deep sleep. That is when your body is rebuilding, rejuvenating. And without deep sleep, you have feeling of hangover, tiredness the next day, etc., etc. And your food is not digested properly. Your growth hormones have not been released. So sleeping properly, sleeping enough is very important. If you can't sleep well because of any distraction, आप अपने जितने भी गैजेट्स हैं वो सोने के टाइम से 1 घंटे पहले 2 घंटे पहले बंद कर दीजिए. यूज आई मास्क ताकि जितनी भी लाइट डिस्ट्रैक्शंस है वो निकल जाएं. उससे बहुत हेल्प मिलती है आई मास्क से, बिकॉज जब लाइट नहीं पड़ती आंखों पे तो हमारा जो मेलाटोनिन होता है, जो कि हमारा स्लीप हार्मोन होता है, उसके लेवल अपने आप बढ़ जाते हैं और वो हमको अच्छी स्लीप करने में हेल्प करता है. स्वेट for at least 5 minutes every day. Now, how do you sweat for 5 minutes is up to you. You can work out, you can sit in a steam room, you can sit in a sauna room, you can sit in the sun, give yourself an oil massage, which is called a bhingam in Ayurveda. But sweat for 5 minutes every day. When we sweat, we detoxify our body. It's one of the most important detoxifying process in Ayurveda. We already knew in yoga a long time back, is that when we lose weight, when our body metabolizes fat or carb, so what happens to that carb or fat? Where does it go? So the latest science is now understanding that it turns into water and carbon dioxide, mostly carbon dioxide, which we exhale. We breathe out water vapor and carbon dioxide. That is what has happened to the fats in the body. So hyperventilation, जिसे हम भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम या कपाल भाती प्राणायाम बोलते हैं. Bhastrika is like when you it's called bellow breathing, when you breathe very deep in and out like this. This is Bhastrika. I have researched and I found this is the best way of doing Bhastrika. And Kapal Bhati is when you do very fast breathing. Kapal is your forehead. Bhati means shine, so it gives you a shine to the forehead. And it also metabolizes your fats very fast. You can do it like this. This is a very important way to lose weight and lose fat. If you can spend 5-6 minutes every day at least doing Kapalbhati or Bhastrika and Kapalbhati, it will help you a lot. When we go to sleep, when we sleep, you might have noticed a lot of people when you hear them sleeping or breathing very deeply, because that is when your metabolism has kind of taken off and you're burning your fat and very फास्ट सो वो जो उसको हम आर्टिफिशियली किस तरह से करते हैं, भस्त्रिका करके कर सकते हैं या कपालभाति करके कर सकते हैं. सो ये चीज अगर आप करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे आपका वेट बहुत जल्दी लूज होगा. 1 महीने में 4-5 किलो मिनिमम गायब हो जाएगा, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. एंड यू विल फील मच मोर एनर्जेटिक, मच मोर फिटर, मच मोर फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, मच मोर एजाइल, रेजिलियंट. वो सब पॉजिटिव साइड इफेक्ट्स तो मिलेंगे आपको. सो ये सब ट्राई कीजिए. And do let me know in the comments if you did any of these and if it worked for you. And a couple of months back, exactly 2 months back, I had shaved off my head and I'm covering it still because I want to do a reveal as to what happened with my hair and using all the tips that I had shared in my previous video. So I'll share it with you very soon. Has it grown back? Has it grown back well? And what has happened? So subscribe to my channel, and if you hit the bell icon, you'll be able to get an update when I post that video. And you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.